Hello there and welcome back to the course. So in this video, you're going to build out the featured section of your LinkedIn profile. And in fact, this section of your profile is going to show near the top after you've built it out. And especially on mobile, it will show up near the top of your profile. Why would you care to use this? Well, this actually, as the name implies, allows you to feature certain content. So if you've got like a YouTube channel or podcast or photos you're taking, etc., all that stuff can be featured. If you write articles, that can be featured. So just different things that kind of help your profile stand out from everyone else's. So just like before, just click on the Add Profile section button, and you'll be able to go ahead and add in the featured section. Now, the featured section is under Recommended. So just expand that and click on Add Featured. All you have to do now is just click this little plus sign. It's going to give you options. You can add a post, you can add an article, a website link or URL, or link to a video or something, or you can upload different media directly. For the purposes of this video, I'm just going to show you how to add a link. So I'm just going to grab a YouTube video I have and just add that as a link here. So just click on Add a Link. You'll go ahead and paste whatever the video link is and just say Add. And you're going to have a little bit of option here. So it's going to pull the thumbnail if it's a YouTube video in for you. You can title it something different if you wanted to, and you can also add a short description. So for my purpose here, I'm just going to leave this description alone, but you may want to add additional context. So that way if someone does click on this video, they see, okay, here's what this is about. And just click on Save there. So now if we go back to Jen's profile, and if you go back to your own profile, what you're going to see if you scroll down just a little bit is right below the About section, you see the Featured section. And you notice we have this video now. If you notice also that this kind of breaks up the profile, right? This breaks up the page a little bit. Where I scroll at the top here, yeah, there's some color and stuff like that. I start going down your profile, and some of this stuff like this suggested for you, that's all private, analytics, etc., right? So these About section, etc., will be up further on the page when someone else is looking at your profile. But as I go down your profile, right, I see background image, I see your headshot, I see your headline. I'm like, okay, cool. The next thing I see is the About section. Gets me excited. Next thing I see is featured with some images, videos or whatever. That gets me excited, and I just want to keep reading more, right? This is like marketing and copywriting 101. I want people to keep reading more to, in business, buy my widget, but in this case, buy you into a job, right? And not actually buy you, but give you the job. And that's the whole goal here, is to build this out so people hire you. So you can get that job you want, you're trying to get, and you can get salary and all those things that you want. So the featured section just is another way to kind of break up the monotony of a LinkedIn profile, and also allows you to showcase some of the things you're working on, right? Some of those cool projects, or if you're a guest on a podcast or something, that can be there, right? That shows that you're trying to give back to the community, and that goes a long ways with a lot of hiring managers.